I'm here to guide you, offering the latest, most effective methods, tailored just for you. Picture this: acquiring from 5,000 to an infinite number of high-quality leads for free in less than 10 minutes. We start our journey with Instagram and Facebook, automating lead scraping directly into Google Sheets. Identify a micro-influencer in your niche, say a gym enthusiast with a solid following. Then employ the Instant Data Scraper, a Chrome extension, to extract valuable data. Once you've scraped the data, export it into a CSV file and import it into Google Sheets. To streamline outreach, consider using email automation tools like Auber for engaging with your leads at scale. Facebook groups and Google Maps are goldmines for lead generation. Extract member information from relevant groups or business contact information from Google Maps using tools like Phantom Buster. Platforms like Hunter.io offer insights into Shopify stores in your niche, helping you compile a comprehensive list of potential leads. If you're looking for cost-effective alternatives, consider Lead Swift, Lead Gorilla, D7 Lead Finder, or Lead Kahan. Outsourcing to freelancers on platforms like Upwork can also be beneficial. Remember to verify your lead data using bulk email verifiers for optimal deliverability. So embark on your lead generation journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the free course in the description for detailed instructions. Stay tuned for more valuable insights. Thank you for joining me on this journey.